Hello, my name's Jeremy Nicholls and welcome to the Everyday Project Manager. Our courses are designed to teach you the basic fundamentals that you need to understand in order to deliver projects properly and successfully. And these are fundamental principles which have been gathered over a long career in project management, delivering projects from the very, very small to the extremely large and complex. The things I've learned can be boiled down into several fundamental principles which I teach on our courses. And this is about giving you the practical skills you need to deliver projects. This isn't just about teaching project management theory or how to pass an exam. This is about giving you the practical skills that you need to deliver projects successfully. It's also about unpacking those concepts and helping you to understand why we apply them in project management, why they're important, and therefore being able to apply them properly and successfully, making your project management life so much more easy. We also look at how project management is also a life skill. So it's not just about applying these things professionally, but helping you to deliver projects in your own life more successfully and get the most out of them. I hope you enjoy our courses and look forward to seeing you again soon.